How to fix your account has been locked in Microsoft. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your account has been locked issue in your Microsoft account. Now, this happens when some suspicious activities start getting created from your account. Now, if you're facing such issues and your account has been locked, all you need to do is head over to your Microsoft login page. Simply head over to Microsoft.com and all you need to do is log in. Now, to log in, simply head over to Microsoft.com and sign in into your account. Now you will see the sign in page. Tap on sign in and all you now need to do is type in your email address. And after you type in your email address, you will need to type in your password, and what you'll get is your account has been locked. Now, after you get that error, what you'll need to do is simply continue unlocking your account. All you need to do is log in, and to log in your account, if you need any assistance, you'll get this link right here. Now, after this happens, after this message occurs, you will just need to verify your identity by giving them your phone number. You will receive a verification code. Just type that verification code in and you'll get logged into your account. Hence, you will unlock your account. And it's that simple, guys, and that is basically it for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to change your password after you have unlocked your account. And that is all for this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.